4 places to fund your business even with bad credit. Save and share. First is Fora Financial. They're an online lender that offers a variety of small business loans, specifically working capital loans, from $5,000 to $1.4 million. And it's only a soft inquiry to apply. With them, you will only need a minimum credit score of 500. Next, we got Biz Credit. They're another online lender that offers working capital loans, term loans, and even CRE loans from $25,000 to up to $6 million. And with them, you only need a minimum credit score of 575. Third on the list, we got Rapid Finance, another online lender that offers business lines of credit from $5,000 to $250,000, small business loans up to $1 million, and even merchant cash advances up to $500,000. With them, you will need a minimum FICO score of at least 550. Last but not least on the list, I got a company called Credibly. They offer a variety of type of loans, from VA loans to SBA loans, merchant cash advances, small business loans for women, and more. And look, even bad credit loans. And with them, you only need to pre-qualify, and it's no impact to your credit score.
It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it.